Hi, I'm Neha, a girl in the midst. I work a 9 to 5 job with being a full time adventurer and a traveler. I will take you on some enchanted roads and majestic places which you might have never seen before, exploring and curating one of a kind experience along the way. So, are you ready to dive in?
हाय गाइस। तो अभी बज रहे हैं 5, कितना बज रहे हैं? 5:20 और अभी हम हैं दासना हाईवे पे और वी आर वेटिंग फॉर सम फ्रेंड्स टू जॉइन एंड देन वी विल लीव फॉर द प्लेस, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड।
As you might have already read in the title, we are going to the land of gods, Kinnaur. For those who don't know, Kinnaur lies in the state of Himachal Pradesh and is divided into two main valleys, Sangla and Hangrang. And as you know, our love for road trips, we decided to hit the road to cover the total distance of 650 kilometers to the last Indian village. Target for today was to cover 360 kilometers and spend the night at Fagu. So, here we go.
हाय। हाँ,
नीचे तो गया थोड़ा नीचे
नीचे। तो हम पानीपत क्रॉस कर चुके हैं अभी और वी विल स्टॉप फॉर सम ब्रेकफास्ट। वी आर वेरी हंग्री। आवर फ्रेंड्स आर फॉलोइंग अस इन दी नेक्स्ट कार, सो वी विल स्टॉप समवेयर। कर लिया है ब्रेकफास्ट और अब हम जा रहे हैं बस जल्दी से कार में बैठ के एंड देन वी विल गो, सो सी यू देयर ऑन द रोड। So finally we have reached Fagu and we have checked into the hotel. We have booked the Apple Blossom. It is an Himachal Pradesh tourism resort. और usually Himachal Pradesh tourism के resorts are the best place to stay at in Himachal. I think you'll have it in most of the popular places. And the view from here, let me just show you.
हम 3 बजे पहुंचे थे वहाँ पे, सुबह 5 बजे से 4 बजे से उठे हुए थे. सो वी जस्ट वांटेड टू हैव सम लंच एंड रेस्ट आवर फीट फॉर द नाइट. नेक्स्ट डे हमें जल्दी उठना था बिकॉज वी हैड टू कवर अ ह्यूज डिस्टेंस. सो वी कॉल्ड इट अ नाइट अर्ली एंड वेंट टू बेड. और शायद भगवान चाहते थे हम जल्दी उठें ये ब्यूटिफुल मॉर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए.
Good morning, guys. that was a beautiful morning, and I'm so glad because I beat the sun today. Yeah, I woke up like half an hour before sunrise, and it was so beautiful over here. हम यहाँ पे रुके हैं ताकि हम अपने नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन पे जाएं. और आई एम सॉरी, माई गला एकदम चला गया है कल रात में, सो प्लीज़ bear with this voice. But yeah, so we just stayed here for the night, and we booked this hotel from the HPDTC site directly. And this is a beautiful place. You can look at the views behind me. Let me give you a 360 view, and it's so beautiful. Like, you can see most of the valley there, over there. You can see most of the valley there, and it is just on the highway. So if you're taking a pit stop at this place, it's good because you don't have to go into the city और वो hustle bustle से आप बच जाते हैं. And all you have to do is to come here, stay for the night, and take the highway back to wherever you're going. So I hope you would come along with me, and you will experience this beautiful journey, because this is going to be a thrilling one, I tell you. By the way, the name of this hotel is the Apple Blossom from HPTDC Fagu. So if you go to the HPTDC site, you will be able to search it from Fagu. I think there are 2 HPTCs in Fagu, तो आप चूज़ कर लेना. हमने ये वाला चूज़ करा बिकॉज हमें हाईवे पे लेना था, हमें सिर्फ नाइट स्पेंड करना था, एंड वी हैड टू गो. So we've taken this, but it was a beautiful experience overall. Hot running water, good food, everything you'll get it here. So I think it's a place worth staying at. We didn't want to stay in Shimla because of course वो crowded होता है बहुत, और प्लस वहाँ से निकलने में हमें 1 घंटा लग जाता to reach a highway, and this is right on the highway, so it really helps, saves a lot of time, because अब हमारी जो next journey है, it's going to be for at least 8 hours. It's a long drive and all hills, so I'm looking forward to the views that we will get, and we'll show you how beautiful it is. And you can see the wind here is crazy. So कल शाम से इतनी पूरी तरह हवा चल रही है यहाँ पे, which is why it's become so cold, and the breeze is like so cold over here. You need to be packed with good winter wear यहाँ पे रहने के लिए, और obviously हम तो और आगे जा रहे हैं, तो definitely you need good winter wear. तो let's see how it goes. Come along.
जब शुरुआत इतनी खूबसूरत है तो आप समझ ही सकते हैं कि बाकी का सफर कैसा होगा. Stay tuned with me, coming up with the next episode very soon in the beautiful land of the gods, Kinnaur. This is your girl Neha, Akka Girl in the Mid, signing off for today. You take care and keep traveling. Ciao.